We will say, riders ready. We are off to take the worship up the lights.
Made it. OKC. We're going to get some food. Andy up here with his classy Rafa. What do you call it? Musette?
Musette, yeah. Musette. Musette. Got my bidons.
What is that sauce? Okay, so we're at, what is the place called? Big Truck Tacos in Oklahoma City. As Stefan said, we would probably come back just for the sauce, right? Just for the salsa. 6 different salsas. They have them listed here in order of mild to hottest. We ordered them as far as quality goes. Like, this is the best. This is the hottest one. Also happens to be the best, the roasted serrano. And then we've got roasted jalapeno, which is also the second hottest.
Spicy.
The roasted tomato is really good, but that's lower down on the list. And then we've got the verde, which is mild. This one, the dried fruit and habanero, it's a little too sweet.
Lame.
And then this one is a mystery cream, as Stefan says. Das Wow mystery cream. But yeah, so this very good selection of salsas. Burrito is very good. Tali ordered a second one because it was so good and he needs more of the salsa. Can never have enough sauce in your life.
Yeah, I'm a dried fruit and habanero kind of guy.
You as salsa connoisseur?
Si. Do that.
All right, time to get caffeinated. We found some friends. First time at Elemental, very good. Andy had a cookie that was 100%.
Thebomb.com.
Thebomb.com. Wow. Come on, Brett, 500 watts all day. Getting the bike all set, putting this camera right here. The camera is going away for now. We'll obviously have on the bike footage. And yes, the sun is setting, we'll be racing at night. It's gonna be pretty freaking sweet. Okay, we are back from the race. I didn't get much race footage because I was having camera issues, like the GoPro would not record. Don't know what's up with that, but this man, 7th.
Good times.
Nice sprint there. I didn't catch any of my actual aggression on camera because the camera shut off after 15 minutes and didn't do anything. So tomorrow I promise to get more race footage. About to start a search for food.
Yeah, ramen.
Ramen. Okay, yeah, ramen. here is a wonderful shot of ramen that you don't get to eat. So. Yum, yum, yum. That was some good ramen. Time for bed. Back in the morning.
That's where we'll lose contact.
Right. Very good. I like the clear.
Is that what
energy.
on the city?
Yeah. It's elemental.
Out in the suburb, we ended up doing a 2-story high. We're ramping the inside.
Just watching the Giro and riding a bike. Espresso and the Giro are like go hand in hand, you know? All right, Stefan, time to get wavy.
Red.
Red, waves. Today went from real awesome skate park and all that fun stuff to kind of meh pretty quickly. We got this like random storm that just came through. Not the best for crit racing. I mean, we have the best tires for it, but still not fun racing in the rain, but you know. It's raining. It's not terrible. Could be worse. Probably not gonna record with the racing, just like the camera's gonna be all wet, water on the lens, have to wipe it off every 2 seconds, so kind of pointless.
She's handed off for protection duties. Talbot going up the road. 3 back markers and then our field.
Want to give us a little update on the situation?
I'm about to remove my clear lenses and replace it for some real sunnies because we're racing on dry roads.
And our beautiful day in OKC has returned. The sun is out, the roads are dry, and we're ready to race. Red Bull.
It's the Wiiiings.
Woo! All right, camera's going in.
Stand together in the eye of the storm and show the whole world who we are. Oh, keep on walking to the sound of the drums. Feel the fire run through our lungs. Find our treasure in the light of the sun and show the whole world who we are.
My legs actually felt so good and never hurt. It was actually pretty mind-blowing.
It's the amp human, man. Serious.
I do feel
Sodium
like
bicarbonate. It was a good race. Charlie got for it. He absolutely sent it into the second to last corner from the field and just railed it and had a massive gap in the
Pretty
sprint.
good gap, right?
There was a 3-man break. One of them was dropped and he nearly got him at the line.
Ciso Sandra got like 6 in Mexico.
But yeah, it was a solid race. I'm very glad that it dried up, although we would have been in the best spot still, even if it were wet. Andy, how was your race?
It's good. We were in every move.
Yeah.
Except the one, whatever.
You and I tried our hardest to crash each other out.
Yeah, that was
unsuccessful. We'll try again tomorrow. But yeah, we are gonna go back, change, shower, not in that order, and then go eat. Probably pizza, something. It will be good. It was a good day, and another solid race. Let's go. Boom time.
The Hinkapy guys use it on their Instagram. Boom time.
I'm gonna eat whatever's on your plate.
Easy slice chop. Yo.
You guys want to do slices?
Yes. Slices. What's up?
I'm just
We have moved on from pizza.
Pretty popular, the little buns with
No recording in the bar because that is explicit content not suitable for
like
children.
30 cents per
Ice cream.
You get the little
Soda fountain. Roxy's.
hungry.
Korea.
Hungry. More recovery. Alrighty. Final day of OKC Pro-Am. It is another, another beautiful sunny day. Hopefully it stays that way. We are heading to the diner and gonna go grab some breakfast. Here we are. Good choice, Andy.
Yeah, Jordan.
You?
Angry.
Can I get y'all anything else?
Whoa. Good breakfast, boys. Meanwhile, at the Giro,
Please invite
Chad
someone
Higa
to
still in the hot
this one.
seat. Carapaz won the Giro,
That's awesome.
and Chad Higa won the final stage time trial. Holy cow! Is he shooting already?
Texas, just north of Dallas.
Yep, McKinney.
Victor at World Tour level.
Yeah.
Thumbs
Nice,
indeed.
Chad.
It's had a long time to come to terms with the notion of it.
Another gorgeous day. Going for a little spinny spin.
Stand together like we're rocks in a wall, growing stronger every day, even more. Stand together in the eye of the storm and show the whole world who we are. Oh, keep on walking to the sound of the drums. Feel the fire run through our lungs. Find our treasure in the light of the sun and show the whole world who we are.
And we're racing just under an hour. It's warm out there. We're basically gonna go race, head straight back here, shower super quick after the race, and then head on out of OKC. But yeah, just about ready to go for final day. Gonna put this camera away, and I'll have on the bike footage. So be back in a bit. Race is over. It was good. Tali ended up 6th in the field sprint. We did not get in a break, but it wasn't for lack of trying. Nothing stuck. Like, it just came down to a sprint. So yeah, this was probably my favorite course. It's pretty awesome. And now I'm going to get out of kit because I don't want to be in chamois any longer than necessary. And then we're going to shower, hit the road ASAP. Welcome home to Texas. Lucky stop complete. We're gonna go ahead and sign off for this trip. Successful OKC. It was a good weekend. Bye, y'all.